Let's show Grandma. This Chloe is her new trick. She thinks it's funny. Having a little oatmeal for breakfast. Say a little oatmeal with some cinnamon. That's how Chloe likes to eat her oatmeal. It enhances the flavor, a little lip smacking. Say hi, Chloe. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi. Will you say hi to Grandma? Say hi. Say hi, Grandma. I'm reading my Sesame Street book. Trying to figure out where the oatmeal's coming from. I know.
Yeah.
Right here? You ready? Chloe. Chloe. Alright, say bye-bye, Grandma. Say we'll put another video up on later. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. No, nobody's leaving. She's looking at the door. You want to do one more bite? On camera. Chloe. 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 Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Say ba-ba. Doesn't want to do it. Alright, get more oatmeal.